this is me, Sasuka. So every weekend, umuwi ako sa amin dito sa bukid para mag-relax. At ito talaga yung gusto kong life for my retirement life. Retirement talaga, no? Yes. Gusto ko mag-retire ng maaga, guys. At dahil may water rationing din kami sa bayan, limited yung water supply para ma-distribute yung water para sa lahat ng household. So 8 PM pa kami magkakaroon ng water. So mas minabuti ko na magstay dito sa parents ko to spend time with them at the same time. Of course, may tubig kasi dito. Kasi may deep well kami. At yan yung first challenge natin for today. Manual pump sa deep well. Well, pinagawa to ng father ko nung pandemic days. If I'm not mistaken, mga 10 to 15 feet yung lalim niya at maganda naman yung quality ng tubig niya. So for me, interacting with the green spaces has an effect on my mental health. Parang mas nare-relax ako, mas at peace ako. Especially yung inaalagaan ko yung mga plants sa gardens. Kahit hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung garden namin, but it offers relaxation and I forget the hustle and bustle in urban life. So, may nakita akong tumubong papaya dito. So, gusto ko siyang i-transfer dun sa kabila. Kasi dito more on flowering plants at saka yung mga green leaves dito siya kailangan i-plant. So, sa kabila yung mga fruits, herbs. So, ayan, natanggal ko na siya. So, ililipat lang natin dun sa kabila. At ipla-plant natin dun.
Put mo natin.
Ayun. So for me, living in simplicity closely connected to nature bring benefits to my well-being. So bago ako mag-end, I just want to share the quote from the book that I have read. If you're not failing, you're not growing.
Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.